Can't do 10k for a suite, then I don't wanna hear no chat about numbers. You man are my youngers, all blacked out like grungers, 10s and 20s and 100s.
What's up YouTube, Flex Stuff, Iggy to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're gonna be reviewing the Copa Airlines 737-800 and the Connect Miles livery by Aviador models. So yeah, let's get into it. I was really surprised to see this model released, and it's by a company that I know that sells a lot of models in Central America. So let's see if the model's any good. Let's get this open. Nicely packaged, it's on the bottom. And lots of wrap, as you can see. And let me just take all this off. Receipt, and here's the box. So yeah, first glance, the box is really nice. As you can see, it has the Copa tail in the background, the plain Copa Airlines logo, and the website's URL right there. And here are the side views and the back view. So yeah, let's get into the model. Hopefully it's not broken. Wow, first glance it looks nice, and I'm gonna be getting the Gemini jets and NG 737s to compare the mold after I finish the review. So there is the plane. Wow. Yeah, it actually is a pretty good mold. Like, I couldn't really tell if it was a Gemini mold or an NG mold, but there's probably a few small features that you can tell that it's not. But yeah, first glance it looks amazing. Glad to see a company finally making a Copa plane. And let me just get the box put away, and I'll put the flight trader effects right here. All right. And let's zoom in a bit. So at the front we just have the nose cone detailed right there. I don't think it's that visible, but it is there. Yeah, it's there, but it's barely visible. Then we have the Star Alliance logo right there, along with the L1 door. Connect Miles titles, along with the Copa Airlines titles. Looks nicely detailed. And then we have the landing lights right there. Of course, the CFM engines on the 737. Front landing gear doors under there. Right navigation light, and the split scimitars, which look really nice. And then at the back, we have the registration, which is Hotel Papa 1849 Charlie Mike Papa, and also along with the Panama flag right there. And yeah, right there, and also the Copa Airlines tail, which I really like. And here's the back view. You guys can see the overwing exit patterns and also the APU detail on the back. The wings look nicely aligned along with the split scimitars. And here's the right side of the aircraft. Same thing, except we have landing lights again on the right here, and also, but on this side we have the green navigation light and front cargo door right there, and also one in the back right by where the blue curves. And here is the front view of the aircraft. Landing gear is just dropped all my boxes, sorry about that. And you guys can see the landing gear is slightly bit crooked, but it's not that big of a deal. Here's the overview or top view I meant, of the aircraft. And let's get a bottom view. And yeah, it has the stand hole and the red antenna right there on the bottom. So yeah, overall it's a great model. I'm pretty surprised with how good this mold is. Let me just see if it's any different compared to a NG 737. Let me get it really quick. And looks like there isn't much of a difference, except that you guys can see right there that the NG scimitars are a bit higher than the Aviador ones, which is, I'm not sure which one's more realistic because the NG has smaller scimitars than the Gemini, so probably Gemini is the most unrealistic scimitars. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see, Gemini scimitars are a bit big. Probably not that accurate to the real life size of the scimitars, but yeah. Overall, this is a great model. Hope you guys can pick it up. It's available on Aviador's website or on Easy Toys. So yeah, hope you guys can pick up this really unique model. And yeah, it's a great model as you can see. So yeah, thank you for watching.